wondered what makes Pakistani dishes so flavorful and aromatic? Today, we are uncovering the story of Shaan Masala, the iconic Pakistani spice brand that has transformed cooking across the world. Known for its rich flavor, quality, and convenience, Shaan Masala has become a kitchen staple for millions of households. From its humble beginning to international popularity, we will explore the history of Shaan Masala, some lesser known facts, and why it is the go to spice blend for Pakistani cooking. Shaan Masala was founded in 1981 by Sikandar Sultan in Karachi, Pakistan, with the vision to make authentic Pakistani cooking easier for everyone. He introduced ready made spice mixes that save time without sacrificing taste. Its growth in popularity, Shaan's dedication to high quality spices quickly gained its popularity across Pakistan. As the demand for traditional ready-made spices grew, Shaan expanded its product line to include various mixes for popular Pakistani dishes from biryani and nihari to kebabs and curries. Global reach. Today, Shaan Masala is exported to over 65 countries, making it a household name not only for Pakistanis but also for South Asian communities around the world. Its ability to bring the authentic flavors of Pakistan to international kitchens has made it an iconic brand. Now we will discuss some unknown facts about it. First of its kind in Pakistan. Shaan Masala was one of the first brands in Pakistan to introduce pre-packaged spice mixes. Before Shaan, making traditional Pakistani dishes required measuring and mixing spices manually, which could be time consuming and challenging. Rigorous quality control. Shaan Masala goes through extensive quality checks to ensure consistency and taste. Each spice blend is tasted multiple times during production to maintain the signature flavor that Shaan is known for. Variety of over 50 spice blends. Shaan offers over 50 different spice blends covering a wide range of dishes including traditional Pakistani, Indian and international cuisines. Some of its most popular mixes are for biryani, chicken curry and chapli kebab. A solution for Pakistani abroad. For Pakistanis living abroad, Shaan Masala has become an international item. It allows them to recreate the flavors of home no matter where they are, making it a favorite product for those who crave traditional Pakistani dishes. Innovation in packaging. Shaan was one of the first Pakistani brands to introduce airtight packaging to preserve freshness. The innovation helped extend the shelf life of spices, ensuring the flavors remain intact even for international customers. Cultural impact and recipe cards. Shaan Masala packaging often includes simple recipe instructions, making it easier for beginners to cook traditional Pakistani dishes. This approach has introduced countless people to the art of Pakistani cooking, even those with little cooking experience. In the end, I would like to say that from revolutionizing Pakistani cooking to becoming a global brand, Shaan Masala has brought the rich, bold flavors of Pakistan into kitchens worldwide. Shaan Masala isn't just a spice mix, it's a bridge connecting people to the authentic taste of Pakistani cuisine, preserving traditions and making it accessible to everyone. Do you have a favorite Shaan Masala blend or a dish you love to make with it? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed learning about the story behind Shaan Masala, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends who appreciate delicious flavors. I hope you will like this video, so kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. We will meet in the next video with next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.